This is the next video, and in this video what I will describe is I will describe about the trigonometric angles and trigonometric trigonometric angles from a right angle triangle. So this is a basic thing which is should be known, and I just want to make this video to make a revision of how it is possible to derive the trigonometric angles from the trigonometric triangles or the right angle triangle. So if you are having a triangle which can be given by A, B and C, and this is my angle theta, then what is AC is known as my hypotenuse, and AB is what is known as my adjacent, and BC is what is known as my opposite side. So my sine theta is defined as my AC. So sine theta is defined as my adjacent divided by my hypotenuse, which is AB upon AC, and my cos theta is defined as my BC divided by AC. So these are my two angles, and my tan theta is defined as my sine theta divided by cos theta, which will come up to what is my AB divided by BC, and my opposite of this is known as my cosec theta, which is equal to AC upon AB, and opposite of this is what is known as my sec theta, which is equal to AC upon BC, and opposite of this is known as my cot theta, which is equal to BC upon AB, or equal to 1 upon tan theta, or equal to 1 upon sine theta, or equal to 1 upon cos theta. Again, if I am having this angle theta and this angle as beta, so it's possible to show that this is 90 degree. So my theta plus beta will be always equal to 90 degree, because both are 180 degrees. So my theta is equal to 90 degree minus beta. So my sine theta will be equal to sine of 90 degree minus beta, which will be equal to cos beta. So just taking an example, if I'm having a sine of 10 degree, and if I'm adding it equal to cos, or adding it as sine of 90 degree minus 10, or to say that my theta is equal to 10 degree, so my beta is equal to 90 degree minus 10, which is equal to 80 degree. So sine of 10 is equal to sine of 90 degree minus 80 degree, which is again equal to 10, which is equal to cos of beta, which is equal to 80 degree. So if I am calculating it mathematically, what I will get is my sine of my sine of 10 will be equal to close to 0.173, and my cos of 80 will be equal to again 0.173. so it's proved that it's possible to do it this way. So again, if you are, it's possible to convert it from alpha to beta in a similar way. So whatever is my cos of 90 degree minus beta will be equal to cos theta, which is, so cos theta is equal to my sine beta, and so again if I'm writing here, my tan of 90 degree minus beta will be equal to my tan theta, and this will be equal to my tan theta will be equal to, so again my tan theta is equal to cot beta, and it's possible to show that if my tan of 10 degree is equal to cot of 80 degree is equal to 0.176. so these are the basic rules in trigonometry, or trigonometric angles and trigonometric angles from the right angle triangle, and the relationship which you can find.